Alright, a little bit of a different video. I'm gonna try and just talk now versus do a voiceover thing, but it is 6:50 in the morning. I've been up for a little bit, did my normal routine and stuff, pray, brush the teeth, all that jazz. And I'm gonna go hit up a Walmart today, so stay tuned for the footage. All right, team, got parked. We're good now. Don't forget your mask. Let's go in here and see if we can get some profits for our pockets. Or maybe I should just say like profits for our pockets and keep it simple. Let's get inside. Fish food? Oh, I know this brand. I can't sell it. Maybe I can sell it on eBay. Yeah, let me sit you guys down. So there you have it. Crazy good sales rank, 2,000 on PC, 22,000 reviews. Selling for 29, minus fees 13, $10 profit off of each one if I was engaged. Let's see if they let me in this time. But I feel like even if I sell it on eBay, I should be able to make some money. Dang, no approval. Okay. Let's check eBay. Let's see, 93, 72 sold, selling for 23, $10 fees. I mean, not the greatest, but selling 17, 17, 16, 15. Yeah, I don't think nothing crazy. I mean, that one sold for 40. Maybe just price it higher and just sit on it. But I mean, for $13, even if I gotta wait to get gated later on, I'll do it. So you guys know me, kinda, whatever. The first place I always go is to the clearance section. Just because it's already marked down. There might be a hidden clearance section. So let's see what we can find over here. Lots of school supplies. It's crazy, I bought these at another Walmart for 50 cents. And then eBay took my listing down. I don't know why, but I'll look into it. Let's see if we can find some stuff. Let's go back. So good news is, as I recently got ungated in Marvel, and here's stationery, tin carrying case, coloring sheets. I guess there's a whole bunch of just stuff for kids to do. It says it's $3. Scanned it. It does say that it's $3. And then on Amazon, selling for 16 at the lowest with a profit of 8. So 8 minus 3, minus some shipping, $5 each, 5, 10, 15, 20, if not more. Good deal. I just found $20. Let's look for some more stuff. Alright, so the coolest thing just happened. I was over here scanning my own business, and a Walmart employee was over here putting up some of these or something. And some more stuff. She walks over to me and says, "Hey, do you resell?" And I said, "Yeah," because she looked at my cart and it's getting out of control. And she said, "Oh, I'm gonna go mark down some more stuff. Do you want any of those?" And I said, "Absolutely." So I think she's gonna bring them back over here. We'll see here in a little bit. Okay, guys. So she came back with the blenders, and there's 30 of them. So we're gonna buy them all. I'll show you in a second. Okay, here it is. So it's a NutriBullet 500 series, and when I went to Amazon and looked for it, I couldn't at first, but I think someone kind of made a listing for it, which is nice. You see that white and gold? There's only one left in stock for $50, and she told me that they are, look at that, $50, and it's on discount actually. So she told me that they are moving these out because they don't have enough space for it, and they just went down. And let's scan it with the Walmart app just to see. There it is, $15. So if you take, most of you don't know this, but you have to take the ASIN, or if it, if you can't scan the UPC, you can take the ASIN right there, copy it, switch over to the Amazon app, and then plug it in right there. Hit search, boom, there's the item. Not a crazy good sales rank overall in kitchen, but if you look at the sales rank in countertop blenders, 365, that means this thing's selling. You can see it became available January 21st, so it's a fairly new project. But 15 minus 35, you're talking about making $20 off of each one of them, and I think I picked up 30, so 20, 40, 60, 80, I mean $100, $200, $300, $400 in profit just from these. That's crazy. So the window tint here is, it's not big money, but they're easy, small little boxes, $2. Selling for, the reason why I picked them up is because they're $2, 2005 sales rank, right? Crazy good reviews, selling for $8.50 or whatever. So I'm gonna make $1.50 off each one, but you go, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and you just keep going on and on and on and on. There's a ton of them. Got this for a buddy. These hats, I bought a ton of them last year around this time, and they were $1 a piece. I think they're $2 this year. Yeah, and I sold them all for $10 to $14 on eBay. And sure, it's not like big money, but hats are easy to ship, and making, again, somewhere between $2 and $5 off a hat is amazing. Callaway. Again, this one is, I didn't even look at these. I think they're golf heads or something. But vintage head cover. But Callaway, as you guys probably know, is a good brand name out there for golfing. And so here you can see, again, 25,000 sports, crazy good reviews, selling for $16 minus 10, or minus the fees, $10 profit, minus your buy cost of $4, so $6 off of each one of those. These things you probably might see at your Walmart because they're trying to get rid of them, but I still currently actually sell these for around $7.75, $8, something like that. I guess they're still selling. Maybe people are getting ready for next year for them. $7.75 minus $3.26. Again, $2.50 profit. I guess I gotta show you for real. $3.26, $2.50 profit off of each one. So when you have a ton of them, and this box over here, this box is stacked full of them. So this is crazy. I already showed you the Marvel Avengers game and razors. But she told me to go check the end caps for more stuff, so I'm gonna drag around these 2 carts and hopefully find some more stuff. This Walmart trip has been insane. Let's get it. Alright, let's go and check out the electronics to see if we can find something to buy and flip online. I don't see any games that are marked down. Okay. Now, let's check and see if it's actually cheaper than it says. $5. They're freaking liars. And there's 3 of them in there. Let me look it up. I just want to say that I didn't set this up. I literally walked over and you guys saw me say no on it. But check this out. There's only one offer on FBA. $35. Phoenix resales, you are my hero. Let me go see if I can find some more stuff that is on sale. Oh, look at that. Destiny for Xbox 360. Somebody got that. I'm just gonna keep scanning and see if I can find any type of games that I can flip for a profit. Profits for your pockets. Let's go. I did find a game that I'll probably just buy and wait for the price to go up, because if it's $15 and it's something Owlboy, right? Owlboy, and it's got a good sales rate of 20,000 in games. So what I'll do is 24 is the lowest price. I mean, I'll still make $2, but I'm just gonna buy it and wait a little while the price goes up. Cause see, the next one is $27.99. You know, that's $5. 29. I'll probably just put it $29.95 and wait for the others to sell out. Let's go buy these Destinies and these things so we can get out of the game section. So the lady just kicked me out of the self-checkout because I got 2 baskets. And I can understand, because when she's older, I'm not mad. It's just like, now I gotta go stand in this line for a while. Check it out. We got all the NutriBullets in here and still have a whole entire cart. So let's put it in the back seat. Alright, it's all in here. All the games and all that stuff, all $800 and whatever it is. Trunk's packed out. Let's go to the next store. Well, I don't know. Let's go to Chick-fil-A.